Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe guys. If you have a Hyundai Santa Fe practically any generation, any year guys, and you have problems with engine light and any of the following two codes such as code P0016 or code P0017, stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it guys. Top 3 things will be covered in this video. You just hope it's not the last one because it will cost you a lot of money and we'll explain why. Now, before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you need to buy tools, parts for a really good price, quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get them from for amazing price guys. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys is in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's explain what we have specifically here. That's a 2.4 GDI engine that's out of a Hyundai Santa Fe. So looking at that engine now guys, what code P0016 means? It means that the position of the intake camshaft, the intake side is where the engine gets its air and fuel from, it's on the front side of the engine, that's the intake camshaft, does not correspond to the position of the crankshaft. Now, how is that detected? You have a crankshaft position sensor that detects the angle of the crankshaft and you have a camshaft position sensor for the intake camshaft. Code P0017, it's exactly the same but for the exhaust camshaft. The position of the exhaust camshaft doesn't correspond to the correct position of the crankshaft. So, what can cause these codes? Those are modern and really complicated engines. Why? Because you have dual variable timing, continuous variable timing. That means that you have variable timing for the intake valves and the exhaust valves. This is controlled by the variable timing solenoids. This is for the intake valves and this is for the exhaust valves. Practically oil flows through those and the oil stream guys, the oil pressure will be diverted to different parts of the pulleys and it will advance or retard, actually it will in that case will be retard or advance or retard the timing. That will make the valves to open or close sooner or later. And if you get those codes guys, number one thing, it could be bad variable timing solenoid or just a dirty solenoid. We have a special video that explains how to clean variable timing solenoid and how to replace it as well and how to test it. You can easily test them and find out if they're good or bad. Number 2, make sure you have, before we get to number 2, make sure that you change your engine oil with the correct oil for your vehicle. Sometimes if you have the wrong oil, that can cause these codes as well, because the oil may not flow correctly through the camshaft sprockets. Number 2, you may have a bad camshaft variable timing sprocket. If that happens, they may not be responding correctly, they may not return or close all the way, and as a result that can cause these codes as well. Number 3, you hope that's not the case guys. It could be something such as mechanical problem, jumped timing chain guys. If you jump the timing, then the position of the camshafts and the crankshafts will not correspond correctly, so as a result that jump timing will throw these codes. You just hope that's not the case. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe and trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.